This is Jonathan Livingston Seagull. Not sure how many of you know the story of Jonathan the Seagull, but this gull not hanging out with the other gulls. It's low tide, Barview Jetty, and this seagull flew around. I watched him for quite a while. He flew around all by himself hunting. And he found this live crab at low tide, hauled it up here in the parking lot, and proceeded to flip it over, take it apart, and eat every morsel. The seagull's not just waiting for scraps. The same lesson can be applied for us. Why wait for scraps? If there's something you want, go and get it. Work for it. Earn it. That's what that seagull did.